what EFA offered really inspired and enthused me. The vision that EFA offered of a different kind of Europe, of people working together in friendship and in partnership, but offering people the right to determine their own futures. And no one else was doing that. And if it's only EFA that's been putting keeping these ideas on the European agenda of self-determination, of our right to decide on our own futures. And that's been really important. But we have to go further than that now. We have to make sure there's a much wider debate on a European level about democracy within the borders of Europe as well as in other countries throughout the world. If Europe is to improve, if it is to become more responsive and democratic and open. Now, we have to make sure that Europe changes. The European Union, if it has an important role to develop in the future, it is that they look at democracy and what democracy really means.